If you're looking for a low-priced four-wheel drive, luxurious Avalanche, this is the one. 2002, fully loaded leather sunroof. It's got good tires on it, body's in phenomenal shape. Inside, the leather's actually in good shape as well. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat. Back seat's very good condition still. Stereo, power windows, power locks, memory seat, heated leather. This thing has it all. And for the low price, you can have this one today. Give us a call at Reverse Dealer and take this puppy for a test drive or take it home today.